Hello YouTube once again, and today we're going to be looking at a couple things that I bought at the thrift store today, actually. So just to get straight to the point, one of them is a Pixpro Pro, which is a Kodak camera, and another is a Texas Instruments 82 calculator. Yes, it does have this thing. So first let's look at the camera. This, I paid for it for $6, and I was pretty excited when I found this, just because when you look it up online, it's selling for $60. It's a pretty expensive camera, considering I paid a tenth of the price for it. But actually, shouldn't have been that impressed, because once I took it back home, I figured out that once you turn it on and you put batteries in it, the screen is broken. Actually, it's not. You can see a little bit right there, but maybe you could aim your picture with this, which is what the screen is really just for, but it's not really that useful. I was able to take pictures and video with this camera, but it's hard to aim it, and you can't really do anything in the menus. You would just be blind. Yeah, you can see there's a little bit of a menu here when I press mode, a little bit. I don't know where that goes. So I thought that I wasted $6 on this camera, but when you open it up, you can find out that it came with an 8GB SD card. Alright, let's look that up as well. And once you look up the 8GB SD card, you will come to realize that it goes for $10. So in reality, I guess you could say that I paid $6, I got a $10 SD card, and a camera that doesn't work. Maybe someone wants this. I mean, it still kind of works, but not really. So that's why this is going to be sold, if I can, sometime later. Once we take a look at this other device, the calculator, this, I was actually more nervous about this when I bought it, because I have bought calculators before and they have had broken screens. Ha ha ha. But when I turn this on, the screen does in fact work. I can press in numbers, and yes, and we could also do a plot. So let's do x square and then graph that, and yeah, you can see that this does in fact work just fine, and it does all the things that you can expect a calculator to do. You can edit a plot. I have some numbers there, and then you could do stat calc, one var statistics, and then it would show you, well, I can't really see it right now, but yes, this calculator does in fact work just fine, and I'll probably end up using this actually, because the calculator is kind of a useful thing to have. This takes 4 AA batteries. It's a TI 82. It's from 1991, so it's kind of old, but it does pretty much everything a graphing calculator would be expected to do. So there, I got that.